Hello! At Välinge, innovation is part of our DNA. We are happy to see that worldwide flooring producers and distributors incorporate our technologies in products to constantly improve their customers' experience. Recently, we engineered, patented and launched revolutionary technology for wall installation. The concept is called 5G Climb. And with this technology, you can truly make your floor climb up the wall to get a perfect match between the floor and the wall. 5G Climb is using the well-known 5G fold-down technology. I am Daniel Åström, business developer at Välinge Innovation, and I will now show you how it works. One big benefit with 5G Climb is that the same panel is used as the floor, as the support rail, and as a decorative panel. Panel is fixed by a plastic clip that is angled into the profile of the support rail and slides down to lock the decorative panel. The next panel is easily clicked into the first panel thanks to the 5G fold-down technology. And in the same way locked to the rail by the clip. In the same easy way, you install all your floor panels to create a beautiful wall. The support rails are fixed to the wall with suitable fixation method depending on the wall. Depending on the floor, the distance between rails can be 400 up to 800 mm. Support rails can be splitted longwise to create two rails out of one floor panel. If you like, you can also create your wall with a vertical installation. You place support rails horizontally and use the clips to fix your panel in vertical position. Why is 5G Climb a concept that can make a difference? Well, 5G Climb technology offers a wide range of benefits. As you have seen, 5G Climb is easy and fast to install. You only need two components to install your wall panels: the floor panel and the clip. The floor panel is used both as the decorative panel and as the support rail. And the same clip is used for all wall panels. There is no need for tools to assemble the wall panels, since the clip is self-locking into the profile. 5G Climb is using the proven 5G fold-down technology, already used in flooring all over the world. What you get is an easy, high-quality wall installation. The 5G Climb concept is also very forgiving, absorbing some unevenness of the background wall, as well as any possible misalignment of the support rails. The installation is floating, allowing the panels to move together with changes in humidity, making the result perfect. If you want to dismantle the wall, it's just as simple. 5G Climb is suitable for all materials and opens up for multiple pattern installation. I will now show you a few more examples. Here was another example of installation using the 5G Climb technology on a 10 mm engineered wood product. As you can see, the clips are available to make the 5G Climb technology suitable for any kind of flooring, like resilient, laminate, wood, down to a thickness of 4 mm. They have been engineered and optimized to secure the ease of use and the strength of a wall installation. 5G Climb also opens up for herringbone installation. Support rails are placed vertically and the clips are symmetrical to be used on all panels. If you think 5G fold-down installation and 5G Climb are interesting complements to your current portfolio, as a global partner and supplier, we gladly discuss how to implement this concept in your production or in the collections that you are sourcing. Thank you for your attention, and we're looking forward to speak to you soon.